Where is all the space? You just have 60 GB. Because it's unallocated, right?
Yes.
It's unallocated. So let's allocate it. So right click on that. You can have, see there are many ways. You have simple volume, spanned volume, stripped volume, mirrored volume.
I don't have mirror. Only have the first three, I don't have the fourth one.
Mirror means you should have at least 2 identical disks. Mirror is like if you have 500 GB, you should have another 500 GB.
Yeah.
You have? You have like this?
Yes, same.
Is that online?
Yes.
No. Okay, we will see that. That comes later. Or is it coming here? Here, I think this is coming. This is just simple. Okay, let's just make a new simple volume. Next.
What is that from where?
What?
The next volume or?
Right click on this black new simple volume.
Okay.
Okay, next. Now, do you want? You will not make. You want to make whole 500 GB in one volume. Volume means partition. Okay, partition. Yeah, partition. Okay, or do you want to split it? Let's say you want to split it. Okay, so this is 500 GB, right? So we will make 250 GB. So it is in MB. So just make 250 and then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 250 GB. 250,000. That's 250 GB. Next, whatever letter you want, you can choose. So by default, it comes. Next. Okay, file system, NTFS. That's the only one supported by GPT. Allocation unit size. Allocation unit size. I don't know what this is. You can give a volume label. That's just a label. Okay. Just give hard disk 1. Okay, next. Finish. Okay, so it will format it and give me like this. E drive. So you have 250 GB. So this is from the first hard disk, first part. Okay. Similarly, try the other one also. With simple volume. Next, now no need to give whatever space is left. You give it to the other drive, F drive or whatever. So I just give the volume label. Hard disk 1B. And I make the third one entire 500 GB in one volume. See, now you don't see the span and everything, this is gone. Because if you want to do the span and strip mirror, then you need another equal amount of space free, unallocated. We will study these things, what are these things which comes in the Windows server. Next, the entire space, okay. D2. So you can check. So now here in total we have more than 1 TB of space, virtual space, right? Yeah. But actually if you look at the host computer, we have only 500 GB hard disk, and that too we have occupied for something. So what will happen if you copy things more than 500 GB here? Is it possible?
Oh, it will overflow.
In Amazon, there's this they're selling 1 terabyte, but actually under it's just 6 gigabytes. But whenever you plug it in, it's more than that. And whenever you put in some data in it, it's broken, not working well.
When it shows, it will show you.
As you bought it, but really underneath it's.
That is also kind of virtualization. The same thing here. So physical is always physical, right? So you can't just deny that. You can't overcome that. Okay. So this is how you make the drives. Okay. Now some other things. Let's say, for example, we don't have any data here. Let's say you want to. Let's not touch C. Let's say you want to shrink volume. Okay, shrink. So you can just right click and see you have shrink volume. You have delete volume. If you want to format, you can format. You can change the drive letter if you want. Okay, let's say you want to shrink volume. So this one you want to make it. You want to shrink 100 GB. Okay, so let's say shrink volume. How much you want to shrink? So I want to shrink 100 GB. Type here 100 1 2 3. Okay, 1 MB is 1024. Sorry, 1 GB is 1024 MB. So 100 and then 3 zeros. That's 100 GB. So I want to shrink this much. Okay, shrink. Okay. So 100 GB is free, unallocated. Okay. Now you want to merge HD1B with the unallocated. So what do you do? Right click. Now you will have the option extend, that is merge. Before you did not because there was no free space. Now you have because there is a free space now. Okay, right click, extend volume. So you are cutting from here and you are adding it to the 1B. Extend volume. Okay, so you can see this is all there is to extend. There is nothing else to extend. Right? There is only one free space. Okay, whatever it is. Next. The operation is selected to convert the basic disk into. Okay, this is a little tricky. See, if you want to do this, actually you can do this, but if you do this, you see, if you see here, it's basic. All these disks are basics. So there are two types of disks. If you want, you can make basic or dynamic. Okay, basic means it's like less features for the disk. Okay, less features. So less features. So that means the disk will be a little bit faster. It doesn't have to think much. Okay, the disk itself. But if you make it dynamic, you can do a lot of features. There is something called RAID, redundant array. Those are things that are used in big servers. But if you make it dynamic, the performance will be a little bit less. Okay, plus you cannot convert it back to basic. And if there is any operating systems in it, it will not boot. Okay, but in here, in order to extend it, is there any other way? No. If you want to extend it, it says you have to okay, let's do it, no problem, just give yes.
It's a dynamic disk not supported by the operating system.
Huh?
It's not supported by the operating system. Dynamic disks.
If you can, you see it become dynamic. Which operating system do you?
Yeah.
Which edition is yours?
Professional.
You did professional?
Yeah.
Ultimate. When you did the VMware, you should choose the ultimate, right?
So I didn't have it properly.
No, when you choose, actually the ISO is a professional ISO. The image is professional, but when you install VMware, there will be an option, drop down list. You can actually choose ultimate. Okay, no problem.
home basic.
No problem, it's okay. So that's the difference, you see. Some things are not supported in professional, but ultimate, ultimate is the full edition. Okay, it supports everything. So dynamic disk is not supported in professional. So now you can see there is a different color because it's simple volume. If you go and check here, see this is yeah, 1F is 353 GB. Okay, so that's the basic operation that you can do. Other than format and all you can do, you can delete the volume. If you delete the volume, what will happen? It's, just like deleting something. Let's see if I delete this. Just delete the volume. Go back to unallocated. Everything is wiped out. Format will preserve the structure but remove the data. Delete will remove everything including the structure. Now here we had the structure, right? 2 partitions. That is also gone. Okay, so that's disk management. These things are that is not important. You know what is migration, right? Migration means moving from one OS to another OS. If you are doing that, then you can take your personal data, that is means what is there in the pictures. If you see these things, okay, documents, music, pictures, videos, how you can transfer it to the other OS. Okay, for that you have some tools. Say load state.exe. I don't know whether